Hi YouTube, we're doing a Duvet and Zanussi program C with quick wash, 60 degrees. It's raining at the moment. We've got bold 2-in-1 and 2-in-1 powder, crystal white, crystal red and white lily. Just filling now. I think it will take about 4 fills to get this done. First fill done. First turn. I can imagine this giving balance trash. Oh.
I think it's cool.
A lot of it.
Usually there's a second fill or a second tumble.
Yeah, it'll do it probably next tumble if it's gonna. And I think it will, to be honest.
We've also got a pillowcase in there, haven't we?
Yeah, with a pillowcase. Not adding more water. Do you know what I think I should have done?
What?
Fold it up on J and then put it to a clip past C. Because it's got that high water level.
It should take in enough.
Huh?
It ought to take in enough.
Yeah.
Your computer wipes.
Hi, we've actually changed the wash. We've filled it up on, well, we've filled it up a bit more to higher water level on program J once to get this water level, and I've put it back on program C, and now it's just gonna start heating, I think.
Is it past D yet?
No, not quite.
It won't heat yet, I don't think.
It's 2 before D.
Shouldn't heat yet.
No, I don't think so. Because it's not as easy to understand this machine as a hot point or Bendix and as a Trusty Bendix.
No.
God, this definitely sounds like I think.
Probably.
It's gonna give balance trash a night. What Duvet wouldn't? Very sudsy. What level has gone down, but does that matter? Because it comes back up. Okay, we're just going to heating now. Click past D. Heater should kick in a second. Yeah. Very sudsy. Okay, that'll be it for this video. I will carry on when it's finished heating. Bye. Hi guys, we're on still heating. It's probably about, what would you say, 40?
40 to 50.
Yeah, about 40, 50 sort of degrees. We've added spin reduction because it is a duvet. So we got spin reduction and quick wash on.
It's actually 100% polypropylene, isn't it?
Yeah,
Polypropylene, propylene, what do you call it?
Yeah. Still very sudsy for a duvet, I think. I don't know, do duvets get sudsy?
Well, I watched a duvet that gets sudsy on the wash and then it suds but
oh.
Definitely not a suds, I'd say. Actually, both times I watched a duvet that didn't get sudsy on the wash.
Fair enough.
I've done one in my Miele and one in my Bosch.
Alright. What, it didn't sudlock?
Nope, it didn't sudlock in the Bosch.
But it did in the Miele?
Oh yeah, in the Miele it did like man. I have some videos of it.
Blimey. I'll still look at them. Yeah, I didn't think this duvet will fit in this. The battery on this camera is actually really good. I might just start using this as my everyday camera now. Because I'm fed up with the old camera.
We're taking that specific number?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
That time I did a good few videos. I always get a bit of powder there. I'd say it was almost about 50 now.
Yeah, 50.
Yeah, I'd say 50. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll continue when it really has finished heating. Bye. Right, hi guys, we've now finished heating with 2 clicks past D. Still very sudsy. It's at 60 degrees. Yeah, spin reduction and quick washer enabled. we've edited the water level to a high rinse water level.
We've done that by putting it on J, haven't we?
Yeah, we've done that by putting it on program J once, 30 degrees, and
Fill it up.
put it back on D, or C rather.
Click past C.
Yeah.
So otherwise C would drain it all back out.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
No. I don't know, does this wash the 6 minutes at 60 and then drain, or is it longer?
I don't know. I think it's a lot longer.
Even on quick?
I'm not sure. Tumbles have changed to 8 seconds to the left and 6 to the right now. Seems.
So 8 anti-clockwise is that, and 6 clockwise?
Yeah. Don't know what the pauses are, I'll have a look in a second. 3 seconds pause. It's not bad.
I made that 4.
Huh?
Maybe 4 seconds.
3 to 4 seconds,
yeah.
That's not bad. For a wash.
Yeah, 8 seconds this way, isn't it?
Yeah. 8 seconds that way, pause. 6 seconds that way.
I got 10 going that way.
Oh, God. 1. Six.
You got 6 that way, I got 8 that way. So 10 plus 6 plus 7.
8 again. So yeah, 8, 6. Okay, I'm going to go now. The next video will be the anti-sudsing tumbles. Bye. Oh, I don't think so. Hi guys, we're doing the anti-sudsing tumbles on program C, 60 degrees with a duvet in, with added high water.
But not via the drawers,
No, it's just via the program J, warm-ups 30.
Film reduction, quick wash enabled.
Yeah.
But I find it still quite a reasonable length to wash, even though quick wash is enabled.
Yeah, it is quite long, but it does cut it down loads. You'll be surprised. Probably.
Still very hot.
Yeah, well, it's been washing at 60 for a good 10 minutes, I'd say.
10-15 minutes, yeah.
I'd say 10.
Going 10.
Yeah.
won't go back into wash tumbles now, will it?
Well, we'll do in a bit.
Will it?
Yeah.
Oh, quick.
I think so.
Oh my god.
If it doesn't, then...
Doesn't it's practically the same as normal. No, it's
No.
not draining.
No.
And it's at maximum level. That's
Yeah, it's
why.
draining.
And it didn't fill then because it's at maximum level. I've tried that with electricity.
Draining. It only did one set of anti-sudsing tumbles, so now I know. Because I didn't really pay attention before. So it's going to drain for first spin. I'm going to do that in a separate video.
Maximum water level, look.
Yeah. Right, we're draining after the last video still. Just drained all the water out. We can do the first turn to the right. We're doing 450 RPM spin. I think, yeah, we should. Please, that's what.
It
Should do. Right, get ready for first spin. Might get a burst. Doesn't look it. Yes, it does. Haha. Oh no, that'll spin. Easy. Look.
It should do. Think of that cool.
There we go. Very tiny sudslock, not visible on camera.
That's how it manages to keep out something.
Yeah. Let's see, shall we?
No one's going to distribute clockwise.
Well, it didn't distribute, it's because it was a load, wasn't it? It was trying to move it. Right, now we're getting ready for the next spin. You can hear that sound again, can't you?
A bit, yeah.
You'll hear it now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, a couple of little drips of suds I just saw there. Don't know if you saw it on camera, but it doesn't matter. This will be interesting to see a spin next.
Is it a hell spin next?
I think it's yeah, I think it's another spin burst and distribute. And then the 450.
That was weird, it took it to distribution and then it came down again.
Yeah, it does. Like I said, it's load in it, it's trying to move it.
Yeah.
Okay. Still the same sort of balance as the last time. And get ready for the next spin burst, I think it is. Oh no, it's another spin burst. Is it going to distribute? I don't know. No.
It was not on the interim, I don't think, was it?
No.
Sorry, my gosh, so much money.
Sorry.
Sorry?
I think we're going to go to another spin burst now.
Is it a burst?
I think it's going to do another small burst and it will come back down to distribute.
I thought that was only one.
No, it's holding it. 450 RPM. No sudslock. No balance crash. I don't believe it. How? You might start sudslocking in a minute. It doesn't sound like it's struggling enough. Oh well. Yeah, I told you it was hard to make this o'clock.
Yeah.
That was it, that's the spin done. I'm going to do the next video on, yeah, I'll do first rinse. Right, okay, filling for first rinse on program F. It's going to fill to a low water level, get the clothes all soaked in, or the duvet rather. Then it will fill to a higher water level, tumble for a few minutes and then drain. Oh no. Tea splash in the face. Should be able to see some water coming through there now. Not quite, no, not yet. Oh, can you? I can't really see. Yeah, there's water there. Alright, maybe you can't see it. Huh?
Can I see it there?
I think so. Yeah, the water's coming through up there now. It's low water level. Stop tumbling. No idea how sudsy the rinse will be. Second fill.
It shouldn't really be that something.
No.
Nice of it to do high water, but it won't, will it?
No, not yet.
I thought it was only to do high water. Oh, quick delay. Does that mean there's high water?
No.
Oh,
Still low, but it'll go to high later, I think.
On some of the machines with quick it does high on some of the Zanussis.
Mm.
But then that is, I think, the new ones, because the new ones, they will cool down.
Yeah, I want a new Zanussi. This one's showing its age.
New Zanussis always cool down on 40 or even cotton or cotton anything. If it's dirty, even they cool down on as a solution on quick.
Yeah.
Zanussi wash dryer can cool down on 40, I think.
Yeah, this is first rinse, by the way.
Is it still low water?
Yeah, it should fill up a bit like in a minute. If it doesn't, then it will go straight on into up to spin. This better hurry up. I don't want to waste the battery. Yep, it's filling for the higher water level now. Or it could be just filling to a normal low water level. Not too sure. No, it's still low water level. Blimey. This rinse is going to take long. Not really bogging down with what it is a bit. Just 1 Okay, I'm going to go and I'll do this. If there is a second part to rinse, I'll film it. Bye.
Hi guys, it's just, it was Zanussi just pumped out for the first rinse. Time as well, then just passed out. Going with lower entrance game now. Not too sad to see this rinse, didn't do high water. Bit unbalanced, but it should take that. I think, anyway, I'm guessing. From what I've seen so far of this machine. Yeah. I believe so.
Yeah.
I thought so. Didn't suds off again.
Yeah.
No, I didn't. Oh.
Yeah, it's been 650. Not 450 this time. SLB though, spin burst though.
I thought if spin reduction's on, I think it goes to 850, doesn't it?
No, don't think so.
Oh, it did.
I'm not sure. Have a look.
450 burst though.
Well, I'd say that. Yeah, it might be.
Okay, here we go for another spin. I'm guessing this is going to be another burst, is it?
It should be, yeah, it should be.
Was it only 3? Is it 2 bursts and 1 spin on this? I'm not sure.
It should be 3, 4,
This
3, and then it should come down after that second.
That was, I'd say
it should slow down and distribute.
Isn't that only the final spin it's supposed to distribute?
Oh yeah, probably.
I think, from what?
Yeah, I think it is actually. I always get confused with this machine, I don't know.
Yeah.
Too advanced for me. Too blinding.
Did that last time, didn't it? Like distribute.
I hope it's not something wrong with it.
It's like random, but it's going to distribute tumble like that. I don't get that.
Well, no, it's not distribute tumble because it. I don't know. Maybe it's that belt softening up.
Yeah.
Hairy, isn't it? 450 or, well, 300 going up to 450.
No, it's got 650, isn't it? Or is it 4? I thought last time it went straight to 450.
Well,
I don't know.
Yeah, probably going up to 650 then.
I thought it would have, maybe not, I don't know.
What's that?
I don't know.
It starts to make a noise.
That is 800, I think.
I doubt it.
It's definitely faster than 650.
Isn't it?
It's definitely faster than 650.
Yeah.
8 or 900, I think.
I'd say about 750.
I'd say 850. I think I'd settle for 850 myself. I don't know.
Actually, that seems about right though. If it was 850.
Yeah, I think that's 850 myself.
Yeah.
Which is weird, because I don't think spin reduction
does anything. Look, if I cancel it.
Yeah, it doesn't take any effect.
It only takes effect on final spin.
And I believe that this is going to be faster than the final spin, which is quite strange. You'd think it would take effect on the interim spin, it doesn't seem to.
No.
Going on the train, Eurostar.
Let's try that.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's try it.
I love it. And Paris. Beautiful place.
Yeah, because I didn't live in Paris. Well, we went, but also I've been to Euro Disney. I was Paris there. That was really good.
I like Paris.
It was really nice to go to Eurostar.
I'm sure it's really relaxing on the train. I never thought it.
Really?
It was beautiful. Nice, quite nice and reclined. It was just, well, I'll say that. The time just went. Having a croissant, taxi, and it was lovely.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Do you know what? I can't remember. It was such a while back.
What's this?
Getting on the Eurostar. I'm sure it took about 3.5 hours. I could be wrong, but it's worth looking up to see how long it takes.
Seems like Eurostar's like meant to be the fastest train there is, and 3.5 hours on a Eurostar seems like a day.
Yeah. I know, but it's all just relaxing, looking at a book, listening to music. It's lovely.
I don't travel that long on one train, but I certainly travel longer journeys on between trains.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, even the Plymouth it takes 4 hours, about 4.5 hours. I've been to Bobby Park on the train, I went to Holland Cornwall, so that took really 5 hours.
How long have you been travelling on your own?
Mainly since about April, really. I would go on, I've just never really been on a train that much on my own.
Do you just have to plan your journeys quite carefully then?
Yeah, just to work out what I'm doing really, you know, and then otherwise I'm going to confuse with the train journey.
Do you pull your laptop out when you're on the train?
No, I don't usually. I've got it here because of my magnification program and because I'm going to it 33 days, so I'll be able to use it. But
What do you mean a notification?
Magnification, so I can see things bigger.
Oh right, I'm with you, okay.
Yeah. And that's what I've got to say. But no, I check usually before I go home with them.
Do you have a backup plan that journey goes on?
Usually I suppose it depends. I mean, say, I went to Plymouth, if I was coming back, if I was from the train to Wales, so I'd have to go, Vicky Southampton in that way, so I would be able to do it. I think there's usually another way around it. And if it's coming back on the one line that's Weymouth to London Waterloo line, which Wareham is on that line, if there's a problem there, then it's difficult to have a backup plan because it's sort of one main line.
Oh, right, I'm going to go and jump in the shower, but do you think we could turn the machine off so I don't clash?
Well, it won't because it's on final rinse, so it's gonna, yeah, it's alright. What, Francis?
But I don't normally do this.
What do you want me to do, washing up?
I've left them I never do it.
Do you want me to do them when I've done this?
They're a bit hard to clean, to be honest, but I'll tell you
I'll have
what.
a go.
Have a go. Just have a go, and if you can't, just keep them on the side. But remember, I need to have the dishes for this.
Alright.
I'm done with
You know, yeah, you know this is really bogged down, this rinse.
Is it not high water?
Well, it's high, but it's really bogged down, I tell you. Look. Same. See high water.
Shall I get you the duvet ready?
No, I don't bother about that yet, because Kevin's going to tell.
Hey?
Kevin's going to
course, yeah. By the time this is finished though, we should... Oh,
drain for final spin. Now. And it's a duvet on with quick wash spin reduction. Program C, 60 degrees.
I wonder if Coloureds has got this time with water on. Is it 400 up there first? 450 up there first?
I think it's 300 burst, then 450 burst, then 300 burst. Back down to distribute for 650 RPM spin.
It's a bit like the way next but only they went that distribution straight up to the down rather than
Alright.
holding it.
Yeah. Wow, so a bit like the hot wet now. Right. Oh! Big water lock.
That goes 450 RPM fast.
I think so.
Well, I think it sounds like
That was interesting. I've not seen that for a long time.
One bit of balance trash on the last spin.
Yeah, one bit of balance trash on the third spin, which was after the second rinse. That's it. Because this only ever does 3 rinses unless you put it on program F, it does 4 rinses. Because it's a Cotton's rinse program. I forgot to put that green thing on extra rinses.
Oh well.
Oh well.
So next, have you got view over it or?
Well, I don't know yet, I'll see. Oh, and still a tiny water lock. But that's nothing. God, it's all stuck to the side. How interesting. This will be good. Yeah, the next one. It's going to do 3 tumbles, I think. And then it'll, on the 4th, it'll go to distribute speed. Yeah, so this one it's going to go up to distribute speed and spin. Oh no, maybe not. So it'll be the next one going anti-clockwise. So it'll be this one now. Yeah, here we go. Spin burst. Slowing down for a distribute. Do the rest on the second video. Right, we're distributing for final spin. We're on final spin. We're speeding up to 450 RPM, or 650 rather. 650 rather. Spin reduction is on. Quick wash. Program C. 6 degrees. It's going to stay like. Well, when it gets there, it will stay at 650 the whole spin. I might take spin reduction off for a few seconds just to give it that extra, just to help it a little bit, and then. Shall I? Yeah, I will. Yeah, because by now it would have gone to about 800 RPM, and then in a second it would have been it would have been at 800 now if spin reduction was off. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, I'll stick it off. Right, it's going to go up to 1000 RPM for about 5 seconds. Go. 1000 RPM. And back down again. Just give it that extra spin, sort of. Near pretty much perfect balance. There is only a small amount of bounce, there is a small vibration, but that's nothing. Now I'm not going to do that. I need to put these videos up, don't I? I need to put these videos on.
Yeah, what, so the biggest one is Lindy?
Yeah.
You get from Benny?
Yeah. I know. You'll have to plan it a bit if you're going to do it.
I've done it, man.
Alright, you're done. Oh, don't worry, I'll sort that out in a minute.
Break that door, then you can do it.
Yeah, it is a bit of a, it's a bit like the hot point door, it's really cheap. Let it do another quick 1000 RPM. Just very quickly. And back down. Just to make it a bit more interesting. The thing I love about this machine, it does stay at top speed for a long time, 5 minutes. So this has been, by the time this finishes it would have been at top speed for 5 minutes. I I was going to do an anti-tangle, but I'm not going to film that because it's just boring. Right.